This SHT 700AE hedge trimmer is a perfect example of what the entire 700 series range by Stiga stands for. If I was to pick one word, it would be quality. The body of this machine is solidly built and comes in at 3.5 kilos. This enables this tool to still be agile, but also tough and rugged due to those heavier duty materials such as the magnesium gearbox. The cutting implement is dual action and 58 centimeters long, giving you a good reach. And the cutting teeth are gapped to accommodate a branch of up to 26 millimeters. So this hedge trimmer will tackle some pretty tough environments. All of the tools in the Stiga 500, 700 and 900 series come as tools only, so it really is your choice of what battery combo you need for your requirements. If equipped with a 4 amp hour battery, this hedge trimmer should deliver a respectful 50 minutes of cutting time. The controls are easy to use with a safety interlock on the front handle and a trigger on the rear handle. For complete user comfort, the rear handle can be easily adjusted with a very simple one-handed lever to 5 different positions, depending on if you're trimming vertically, horizontally, or doing some angled finishing work. This high quality hedge trimmer really is a fantastic addition to the Stiga 700 series range. So let's get out and put it through its paces.